Hello guys, one more time to Madibo Hacks course, and today we're going to continue with the troubleshooting of high availability version 3 in Azure. Now, this is the third part of the 3 video series, and in the first part we tackle how to configure high availability from the cloud perspective, from the Azure portal perspective. In the second video, we tackle how to configure high availability from the CSRs, and unfortunately, we didn't make it. Like, how do I know this? Because I shut down the tunnel on one of the CSRs, and what I would have expected is the following. So let me share my screen with you so you can see here. I'm in the routing table, in my private routing table, and in the routes tab. Now, here I have two routes, and if you see the first row, this is the route I'm trying to test with. And currently the next hop is 10.6.105. In the last video it was 4. I made it work, and I found the problem. And I want to ask yourself, what was the problem? And and this is because I think I missed this part because it's kind of complicated, and the documentation part, because they don't highlight as much this configuration that I missed. And yes, the problem was in the CSR's configuration actually. So the first part of this series is great. I mean, with just that, you can deploy CSRs, and you can assign what's needed for you to be able to successfully deploy high availability. Now, going back, I would expect that if high availability works as it should, we should see this next hop changing. Okay, so let's test it now. Let me change my screen. Let me stop sharing. Okay, I'm going to share my third screen. All right. So I'm in the CSRs now, and it seems that it's not working, so it doesn't matter. Let me try to. Okay, first I need to go where I have my event key stored. Okay, never mind. I'm out. Let me log in. Good. Good. Okay. Now, we use the BF, as I told you in my last video, we use the BFD feature for us to trigger the notification once a tunnel goes down to the cloud provider. The notification goes from our CSR to the cloud provider. Now, so let's take a look at the BFD neighbors. It's down at this moment. And let me do most likely I shut the tunnel down. So let me verify that. Yes, it's administratively down. So that is the reason my tunnel, there's no BFD neighbors. So let me bring that tunnel up. No shut. And if I take another look at the interface status, it's up now. So obviously I should now be able to see my BFD neighborship, which is up as you can see. Now, just let me verify here. So let's return. Okay, the next hop IP address is still 5. So now I'm going to show you guys what I missed. So if we take a look here at the guide, let me share this with you as well. No, here it is. All right, you can see it. So there it goes. The cloud dash HA peer, BFD peer. This part is very important. This is in iOS, not in gas shell, and you specify the BFD peer, and this will help us to send the notification. If we don't have this configured, there's no way we're going to see that next hop here to be changed. Okay, so let's change it. Let me go. Let me share my session to the CSRs. Okay, okay. Global config mode, and let's go to redundancy global configuration mode, and let us do the cloud dash HA BFV here, and let us hit 192, 168, then 1, and 1. There it goes. Let's go to redundancy global config mode, and we'll do cloud dash HA BFV here 192, 168, then 1 and 2. That's it. So now we have added the configuration that I told you we were missing. Now let us take a look. So I'm going to change this, because our current next hop is the 10.6.105. So I'm going to bring this tunnel up, and what I would expect to see is for the next hop in the Azure portal to change from 10.6.10.05 to 10.6.10.04. So let's see if that happens. Let me shut down. Okay, so now what I shut the tunnel. So what should have happened is that our high availability feature gets a notification from BFD, and it sends that notification via RESTconf to the Azure provider, and then we change the next hop with the nodes we have configured in Azure. So I do not know. Let's see what happened. Let's go to our screen here. As you can see, the next hop is showing as 5. Let's see if it changed to 4. There it goes. As you can see, the next hop is now 4, 10.6, 10.04, and not 10.6, 10.05. So that's it, guys. So we have successfully deployed high availability in Azure. So I hope this makes sense for you. If not, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and see you in a next episode of Madigo Hacks.